just been shopping, okay? Finding different pieces that I can include in my wardrobe. So y'all listen, we got clothes from everywhere today, okay? Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey to all my new cousins, honey, and also my cousins that's been rocking with your girl. So if you are new here, cousin, over here on this channel, baby, I am Shauna T, and we talk about plus size fashion. We talk about Jesus. We may have Bible study, honey. We talk about life and everything in between. So baby, listen here, do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and baby, most of all, comment in the comment section down below. Cousin, so if y'all are new here, honey, I do something what's called shop the closet, which means anything that I am wearing in this video, you can either scan the QR code that you see on the screen, or I will have all of the links linked down below, honey. So make sure, honey, that you don't forget to shop the closet. So cousins, let's jump right off into it. Listen, I shopped everywhere. I've been at Torrid, I've been at Fashion Nova, I've been at Ashley Stewart's, I've been at Old Navy. I mean, everywhere as I am building out this fall wardrobe. Now, honey, if you are here in Texas, it just got cool like yesterday. It literally just got cool here. So I'm just going to bring you guys some of the pieces. And yes, these items are still in stock, the majority of them. So you guys can actually still go and shop these looks. Now, if it is something that is not in stock, I will let you guys know ahead of time where you can go and find something similar to what I have. Also, honey, another little church announcement for all my cousins who are new. Everything that I have on in this video is either going to be a size 3X or a size 22, 24, or either a solid 24, okay? Because I got a lot of legs, hips, and also surprise at the back. And just for height reference as well, my height is 5'5". So, honey, I had to get them church announcements out the way for all of my new cousins who may be viewing today. Because the first look that I want to jump off into is some pieces that I actually picked up from Torrid. And these pieces, y'all, I thought it was really cute. Now, they, of course, don't come together at all. But we're going to start with these navy pinstripe pants. And y'all listen, this is actually honest a try on haul. So I don't have on the shoes and the purse and the jewelry and all of the things. And as y'all can see with these navy pants, the tag is actually still on them. That's just how new they are. Now in these pants, y'all, I got a 24 regular. Again, my height is 5'5", but just to let you all know, Torrid does carry tall sizes as well. Okay. These pants do have stretch off in them, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to tell y'all why I chose these pants is because I didn't have no navy pinstripe pants in my closet. And if you guys remember back in the summer, I did a capsule wardrobe video. And these would actually fit perfect in my fall capsule wardrobe that I'm actually building out. These navy pants can go with a number of items. So if you don't have any navy pants or any navy pinstripe pants, honey, grab you a pair. Now, y'all, what I did was I went in and I just paired this shirt from Old Navy. You can actually pair this with any shirt that you want to, but I was just like, I need something that I can just try on for my cousins just so they can actually see the vest that I was wearing. Now, I chose to go in and pair these two together. So this is what I call like my little preppy look, y'all. And the shirt is from Old Navy. The sweater vest is from Torrid as well. Now, in the sweater vest, y'all, I need to let y'all know I got a size 2 because when I got the 3 was just like really oversized and big. And so I was like, no, I'm not going for that look. So I did size down and get a size 2 in this sweater, just to let you all know, just because I wanted it a little bit more fitted to me. Now, the sweater does have stretch off in it. I love that as well. You can definitely go in and wear this sweater open if you so desire to. Just kind of depends on how you're going to style this. Now, when I saw this online, I was like, I can definitely go in and do a whole preppy-like look with this sweater. You can definitely go in and pair it with some jeans or with a skirt. I think this is also cute for all of my cousins who are actually still going into the office to work, to actually pair this with maybe even a turtleneck, right? Once it get a little bit cooler outside, or you can do such as I did and pair it with just a long sleeve shirt. But you can style the sweater multiple different ways, as well as the pants too. The pants especially, y'all, I consider the pants to be a neutral when it actually comes to styling yourself. Cousin, have y'all signed up to get on the Cousin Crew or be a part of the Cousin Crew, should I say? The Cousin Crew is our email and also our text list, honey. I am getting back to emailing and sending out text messages to you guys. I've been off my stick for just a couple, 2-3 seconds. 2026, we will be having our Cousin Crew meetup, so I hope y'all is ready to come to Texas, because we gonna turn up. Yeah, we're gonna turn up in Texas at the Cousin Crew meetup. So please go in and sign up to get on the email and also text list. Now, this next piece, y'all, is actually just a sheer shirt that I picked up from Torrid. Okay, I got this because I be want to feel sexy sometimes, right, without showing everything. So this sheer shirt, as you guys see in the first cutaway, I just actually wanted to show you the shirt itself. It's a long sleeve. It does actually come down long enough, and this is what I consider to be just a sexy piece that you can put on. Now, here's how I went in and tried this on so that y'all can see how it was worn. I just went and grabbed my leopard pants out of my closet. I put on a black moto jacket, and I also went in and grabbed my hat just to go in and make this a cute little stylish look. Now, if I was going to style this all the way up, I would probably definitely go in and rock this with a black boots or either a black heel. And then, of course, as you guys have seen many times on this channel, my big fluffy purse that I got from Amazon. But I definitely think that this shirt right here gives sex appeal without you showing all your goods, right? As you guys see, I just went in and paired it with a black bra to wear up under it. You can't see my girdle. I am aware that y'all can't see my girdle, okay? So I wanted to let y'all know, I understand that the shirt is sheer. But again, this is a try on haul, so no, I did not put on any type of cami up under there. Try on haul, okay? That's what this is. But it's very much so sexy. Wear it a ton of places, date nights, wherever you want to actually go. And I did that. Let me say this too. Torrid has multiple colors in this sheer shirt. They have like leopard, and they have a really pretty purplish like print. They have a ton of colors. I personally just chose black because even if I wanted to wear this multiple places or either wear it as a layering piece, let's say if I wanted to put it on up under a dress that is sleeveless, you can definitely go in and do that as well, or maybe a vest. So that's why I went in and I chose black. But for my cousins who may be looking for multiple colors in this shirt, definitely check it out. And even my cousins who don't shop at Torrid often, which I don't think I've said this, Torrid does carry extended sizes, y'all. So you guys can definitely go over to Torrid and shop the extended sizes as well. Now, in this shirt, you guys, I am wearing a 3. That's the size that Torrid has. So it's a size 3 that I have on in this shirt. You can also pair it with jeans and a number of other things, which y'all definitely let me know down in the comments. Is this shirt something that you would pick up? How would you actually rock this sheer shirt? The next piece is actually this dress that I'm wearing right now. Now, this dress, y'all, came from Fashion Nova. And I know some people don't like Fashion Nova. Honey, listen, the dress was on sale and I decided to go and get it, okay? Yes, I picked this dress up for a couple of reasons. One, it is super comfortable and I love the color. Also, I can pair this dress with boots. I can pair it with tennis shoes. I can pair it with heels. This dress can be worn multiple places, multiple occasions. Y'all remember when I told y'all before, I did a video and I was like, hey, when you buy your clothes, you need to be able to wear your clothes multiple places. I'm back. The phone was ringing, okay? But yes, you definitely need to be able to wear your clothes multiple places. So when I am shopping, I am putting an eye on, can I wear this dress to church? Can I wear this dress if I'm going out to brunch with the girls or wherever the case may be? Now, with this dress, y'all, it does have pockets. Y'all know that we love us some pockets on the dress, which is a plus for me. Also, this is a hooded dress. If you are a girl who loves to wear hoods on your head, this is cute as well. I personally don't wear hoods. I just look at it as an accessory with the dress, in my opinion. The dress does zip up. Another little point I want to point out, honey, for all my cousins who like to show them a little leg every now and then, this dress does have I would say a decent split in it. So on me, because I am 5'5", it does come right above my knee. I don't have no problem showing my leg, my thigh, or my knee. But for all of my cousins who love to be modest in their apparel, I needed to let y'all know that, okay? I need to let y'all know it is going to show a little leg when you walk. So if you don't want to show no leg, don't worry, okay? But, or you can put you on some tights if you feel like you need to put you on some tights. But, honey, y'all know how we rock over here, okay? But this dress, perfect for any occasion. It has slight stretch in it. Just to let you all know, I did get a 3X in this dress from Fashion Nova. So because I wear a 22, 24, or either a solid 24, I just want to let you guys know that's the size that I order, which is the biggest size that Fashion Nova carries, which is a 3X. Cousin, are you an entrepreneur? Are you an aspiring entrepreneur? And maybe you are struggling with making money online and creating content? Well, guess what? I have created a community. Yay! That community is I Create University. Inside of I Create University, it is $27 a month. And I am going in and showing you how to monetize your God-given gifts on the internet. I have been doing this for over 10 plus years within my own business, creating content and all of the things. And guess what? I want to show you exactly what I know so that way you can go in and be profitable as well. Now, listen, I do have the link down below if you guys want to go in and join the community. It is I Create University, where I am going in and helping women to be able to monetize the gifts that God has given them and also be able to create content. All right. So make sure y'all click the link down below. And I picked up another similar style dress, y'all. This dress here is the beautiful plum color. This dress came from Ashley Stewart. I do have this in a size 22, 24. Also, this dress comes in multiple colors from Ashley's, y'all. It is black, if I remember correctly. Also I forget the other color, but I know it comes in multiple colors. And if you've never shopped at Ashley Stewart's before, y'all, Ashley Stewart's does carry up to a 30-32 in their clothing. So the extended sizes is also available as well. Now with this dress, y'all, I love this too because it does have what I call like the little kangaroo pooch or pouch pockets. They zip up and down. Perfect if you're out shopping, you need to throw your phone there, or, you know, sometimes you carry your little wallet, put that right there. I think that is absolutely perfect as well. With this, I think that's a great accessory on this dress. This dress is a maxi length dress on me because I am 5'5". And is I am 5'5". So to all of my cousins who may be a little taller than me, of course, the length of the dress may not fall on you that same exact way. So I wanted to let you guys know that in advance. Now, when it comes to the stretch on the dress, it is very slight stretch. Slight, and I do mean slight stretch on the dress. So if you feel more comfortable or you are desiring more room in the dress, I am going to tell you to size up to whatever your next size is in this dress, especially if you know that you are not going to be wearing any shapewear with the dress. Go ahead and size up in this particular dress, y'all. It is slightly thick, not overly that's like gonna make you hot or anything like that. But I think it is perfect for the cooler weather. Another casual you can wear anywhere. Me personally, when I actually wore this dress the other day, I threw on my purple dunks with this dress and a little crossbody bag, and I was out the door. So for me, y'all, I'm looking for quick pieces, easy pieces as I'm building out my fall capsule wardrobe. Y'all have to let me know in the comments, hey cousin, show us what you are putting together for your fall capsule wardrobe, and I will definitely do a video on that because I believe like each season you need a capsule wardrobe of go-to pieces, and it doesn't just have to be, you know, the standard colors. You can also add additional colors in your capsule wardrobe. So that is something personally that I am doing. Did I tell y'all I was wearing a 22, 24 in that dress? If I didn't, I'm telling y'all right now. Okay, right, cousins, honey, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank y'all so much, honey, for tuning in on this good day. And cousins, as I tell you guys always, hold on, back up. If you don't know, you can shop the closet for any of the pieces that I talked about in this video, scanning the QR code on the screen or clicking the links down below, honey. You absolutely can, which is my LTK shop. So if you're not following me on LTK, go on and follow me on LTK. Okay, girl? Please do that. Now, as I tell y'all in every video, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently. You want to know why? Because you belong there. And make sure that you are owning that room. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.